Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Science, Chapter 3. Video Part 2, Question number 21. Which among the following statement is not correct for the separation of the substances? It is used for removing undesirable constituents. It is correct. It is used to remove harmful component. It is also correct. It is used to obtain undesirable constituents. No, it is used to obtain desirable constituents. That's why 21 answer will be option C. Question number 22. Which of the following method is used to separate soluble impurities? So for the soluble impurities, we do evaporation. In the evaporation, first we evaporate it and then we just, if there we need the solid, then we just collect the solid, or if we need the liquid, then we again condense it. Okay. So 22nd answer will be your option C. Question number 23. Filtered tea is an example of element homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, or soluble impurities. So 23rd answer will be your homogeneous mixture, and we just take out the filtered tea only. The 23rd answer will be option B. Question number 24. While preparing pulao, Ragini found some husk was mixed with the raw rice. By using which of the following method she can separate husk from rice? So by the method of the winnowing, she can just separate the husk. Okay, the option B. 24th answer is option B. Question number 25. Petrol and kerosene can be separated by the process of distillation, fractional distillation. Actually, the distillation occurs on the basis of the different boiling point. So that's why at the different boiling point, the different constituents separated from each other. The 25th answer will be your option D. Question number 26. While rinsing rice in the kitchen with water before cooking, which process is used generally to separate rice from the water? So this is your decantation. Rinsing of rice, we just rinse the rice and remove the water by the decantation method. The 26th answer will be option A. Question number 27. A dash is used to separate small stones from sand. So by the method of sieving, small stones will just remain in the top and the sand will come down by the method of sieving. The 27th answer will be option D. Question number 28. Few steps are given below to separate salt from sand. Arrange the given steps in a correct sequence. Decantation is done. Water is added to the mixture of the sand and salt. Stir the mixture of the salt and water. Evaporation is done. So what process will do first? So first, when water is added to the mixture of sand and salt, when you just mix the water, the salt will dissolve and sand will just settle down. So this should be your first process. Then decantation is done. This should be your stir the mixture of water. No, this will be the second. First we will do stirring. By the stirring, what will happen? All the salt will just mix with the water and dissolve with the water, and sand will be left there, and then we will just do the decantation. Decantation means we just remove the water and then we will do the evaporation. In the evaporation, salt will remain in the container only and all the water just go away. So this will be the fourth process. So that's why answer will be option C. The 28th answer is option C. Question number 29. After harvesting of crops, dash is separated from grain by winnowing. The shaft is separated by winnowing. The 29th answer will be option B. Question number 30. Solubility of water of the solids dash with the increase in temperature. The solubility of water of the solids increase with the increase in the temperature. The 30 answer will be option B. Question number 31. Which of the following process is used to separate insoluble impurities? Insoluble impurities, so evaporation, distillation or filtration. So we will just use filtration. 31 answer is option uh, C. But we can do evaporation also. We can do evaporation also. So that's why we can choose here option D. Okay. So 31 answer will be your option D. Question number 32. Difference in dash is utilizes in the process of winnowing for the separation of two solids. The difference process of winnowing depends on the weight of the substances. The heavier one will just fall down and the lighter one just go away. So 32 answer will be option C. Question number 33. The process which is used to increase the rate of sedimentation by helping the suspended particle to settle down rapidly is called. This is called loading. Okay. The 33rd answer will be option B. Question number 34. Which of the following is not a kind of filter? So this is the strainer, it is the filter, this is the wire mesh, this is the filter, this is the muslin cloth, this is also the filter. So glass beaker is not a filter. So 34th answer will be your option C. Question number 35. A mixture containing sawdust and iron nails. Iron nails can be removed from the sawdust by using, so this is your magnetic separation. By using the magnet, the iron nails will just stick with the magnet and the sawdust will be there only. So there is the magnetic separation. So 35 answer will be option C. Question number 36. The maximum amount of substance which can be dissolved in 100 gram of water at a given temperature is known as the solubility of that substance. Okay. So this is your 36th answer will be option B. Question number 37. Water is known as the universal solvent. Why? Because it is colorless? No. It dissolves many substances in it. Yes. It is odorless? No. It does not dissolve any substance in it? No. Answer will be option B. 37 answer is option B. Question number 38. Which process is used to separate butter from milk? So for butter from milk, we do churning. Okay. Here the centrifugal force is applied and all the butters just move away from the center and we can collect from there. So answer will be option D. 38th answer is option D. Question number 39. Which shape of the filter paper is preferred for the process of filtration? We prefer conical shape. Okay, option D. 39th answer will be option D. Question number 40. Metallic parts of the scooter from the heap of waste materials can be collected from the help of electromagnet. Actually, electromagnets collects all the metallic part um, as it is magnetic in a property. Okay, so 40 answer will be option C. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.